Hey y'all, this week for Stars, we're going to do a little shuttle run, but with balled up socks and a laundry basket. So, our front porch is a little wet today, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread out these socks, and I might actually only need 3, but depending on how much space you have, or if you're doing it outside, you can use as many or as few socks. Socks are great too because when we did this in the gym, we decided to throw them. So if that happens, they're socks. They'll be nice and soft. So remember, for the shuttle run, you're going to start wherever your basket is. So I'm going to start here with my basket. I'm running to the first one, and then I'm running back and putting it in the basket. Running to the second one, running quick to put it in, running to the last one. There you go. So have a little fun, time yourself. Or if you decided to throw it, that could be fun too. But for the purpose of this exercise, for the shuttle run with socks, you're going to sprint to the sock and bring it back to the basket. Have so much fun. Hey y'all, for this next exercise, we're going to kind of do a few different things and spelling our names out with movement. So you will need a few different codes and patterns that I send you, but we're going to start with my name as an example just so you can kind of see what it's like. So for instance, Jen for Jen, J is the 10th letter, E is the 5th letter, and N is the 14th letter. So I'm going to do that many reps of each exercise. And we're going to cycle through a few different movements, and I'm going to show you what those movements are. That way, once you see them, you know what you're doing. So the few different ones that we're going to do, one of them are going to be squats, which you know. So that's upright torso, whole foot's on the ground. You're going to get to about parallel with your hips, and your knees are going to come out at the bottom of the squat. Another one that you could see is lunges. So that's a big step forward. We don't want to lean over with our torso. We want this front shin to remain vertical, and then we're stepping our feet together. Whether you're doing walking lunges or stationary lunges or reverse lunges, you always want that front leg to be straight up and down and a tall, relaxed torso. So those are 2 different ones. I'm going to give you 6 total, so I'll try to talk quickly here. So foot taps, which is something that we didn't do in the gym, but I thought y'all might enjoy. So I'm going to use this door jam, but you could use a chair. You could pick something around the house that's interesting or fun. So I'm going to use this door jam. So it's quick feet. I'm on the balls of my feet, getting going quick. So that's foot taps. We also have mountain climbers. So hands are under our shoulders, low hips, and we're going to drive our knee to our elbow quickly for the amount of reps. While I'm down here, we also have push-ups. So keeping your hips low, keeping your elbows into your body, or you can do those from your knees. It's up to y'all. So our last one that you could see are broad jumps. So you're going to get in your hips and your knees, using your arms to bring momentum back. You're going to explode forward, landing softly. So that could be any number of ways. So depending on where you want to travel, you just want to land softly and come to standing when you're done. So those are the 6 different exercises that you can see. What we're going to do is kind of cycle them through. So A, B, C, D, E, and F. So the first 6 exercises will be those that I just demonstrated, and then we'll repeat those again. So, depending on where your name falls in the alphabet, whether you want to do your first name and your last name and your middle name, it's up to y'all. Just have so much fun with it and let us know how it goes.